If you ever want to become a sound designer, this is where you can start. Hi, I'm Robert Dudzic, and after so many requests from you guys and me working in the sound design industry for many years, working on so many movie projects, TV trailers, video games, and TV shows, I finally designed to creating this kind of class or course dedicated to the sound design, where I will be teaching you everything what I know about sound from very beginning, very basics, moving forward to the stages where I operate today. So you don't need a lot to become a sound designer. All you need is basic stereo recorder, and that will be your great beginning. So just think about this. I will be compare a lot of my stuff today, what I'm going to talk about, to the photography. When you're taking your first pictures, you're probably going to take your iPhone or very basic camera and just snap the pictures. And the more you're going to progress, then you're going to get yourself better camera. You're going to get yourself like different lenses because you want to have different perspective. Same analogy will be applied to everything what I do in sound design and what you're going to do. It means in the beginning, think about this recorder will be almost like your iPhone or like very basic camera. When you're just gonna start exploring, recording your first sounds, get you basically feet wet and get you off the ground. And the more you're gonna recording, the more you're gonna learn about sound, hope from me, you will be starting experimenting more with the microphones. And I will be on the way to showing you different variety of the microphones, what I'm using, talk about them, show you examples, and you're gonna do the decision at the end what you want to use. So let's start first what you need to get your feet off the ground. And the first thing will be the handheld recorder. Now, when you're gonna look at the very basic recorders, but they're not expensive, you will be see two options, not exactly the same models, but with positions of the microphones. One is like this TASCAM DR05XP. This is DR05XP. And the microphones capsules, they only give you the one options, A and B. It means this type of recorders with the microphones, they're great for the recording ambiences, live performance, like live conference, or just go in the forest, record some ambience or oceans, or if you're in the city on the train, this is great stuff for the recording. But for not much more money, you can get very similar unit, but pretty much it's the same thing. It's DR07XP, but this one, you can change the mic positions. It means you can go from the AB to the XY, and that is completely open new possibility. Because how I say before, when you're in the AB, you can record beautiful ambiences, white images, city ambience, or forest, or sounds of nature. The moment you can switch to the XY, it's completely new world of sound. You can place this directly on the source, very close, and you can record beautiful stereo image of the sound, very intimate, be very close. It's this kind of like I'm recording. You see me, I place my microphones very close to the source because that's the one sounds what I want to record. It's just like how I say before, like photography. You take your lens, you focus just on the one thing, and that's the sound what I capture. So this kind of recorder with this kind of position microphones will help you to do this. The next thing what I would recommend you to get in the beginning will be some kind of windscreen. There's two options usually. There is one, it's called like a dead cat. This one, it's great when you're going outdoors and you're recording sounds of the ambience of the forest, and you're in the ocean and you want to record some waves, or in the city when there's a lot of wind traffic. All you have to do, just take this thing, snap on top, and you're gonna save your sound, and you're gonna thank me later because your file is gonna be nice and clean with no any additional hits or pop hitting the microphone capsules. Because one thing, these devices today is what they're making, the sounds incredible, but what's come with them, the capsules are so sensitive, then they pretty much pick up everything. So there will be the one kind of. The next one I recommend you, it's the foam one. What I find out for me, foam, you put the same way, put on top, working great, especially if you're recording in the environment where there's maybe moist in the air, there is some maybe like wet, a little bit rain, a little bit drizzly, or you buy them very close to the water, to the ocean, and you don't want to get like any drops of the water hitting your capsules, this works great. Compared to this one, when you're going to be close to water, it's starting to get wet very quickly and it's just not working anymore. When it's wet, it's just don't even use it. So definitely not for a lot of money, you can get yourself 2 little windscreen protections and it's great. And also if you ever want to recording like a voice or something impact inside the room, just put this thing up and it's almost works like a pop screen. So when you hit your voice, when you talk with something or some air hitting, you're going to protect you. So it's a great thing. Another thing what I recommend you, and it's very important, it's headphones, your monitors. If you already have some monitors, headphones, it's great, but make sure they are close on the side because you don't want the sound bleeding and your microphone looping them and recording again. So I would recommend you go check them, the TASCAM TH-XM2. I like them because they are fraction price what compared to the other headphones. They're my workhorse when it's come to the recording sounds. I use them all time. They never let me down. And the sound's fantastic. They're sitting tight in my ears. And they have nice low end. So basically I can hear everything very well. And by wearing them with all this low end, with everything, it's helped me basically capture when I'm recording the nice natural warm tone and get the nice sound with a nice precision and just localize the sweet spot, because it's very important to learn what you want to record. You can't just press and record any sound, you know. You want to record the one specific sound, what you're looking for. And by hearing in your ears, you're going to know where to place your microphone to get this sound. So they will help you. Another thing what will help you with this thing, it's this little handheld tripod or pistol grip. It's a great device. I discovered this online, I think so, on Amazon years ago, and you guys so many times ask me what I can get for this thing. Guys, anything what I'm showing you today, you can go link in my bio. I put everything in the one page for you and you can get this thing directly. Everything what I see right now, you can get this from this page, and it's not a lot of money and it's definitely worth it. But what it does, it's attached right here to the little screw, like I think it's 3/4 inch. You attach this and become like your pistol grip. So it's very easy when you go record something, you can just place directly whatever you want and you're just getting great sound. But another benefit hidden feature is it doesn't look like this when you open. It's become also tripod too. So if you can go on the location, you want to record ambience, you don't want to move your recorder or something because the perspective of the sound is going to change and it's going to sound weird. You just want to place somewhere and you're ready to go. Or you can just change the angle and you can record. Like for example, a lot of people recording sounds of the cars and the traffics when they're going and they're just standing with the microphones about the position of the car and the passing. How about if you're going to use this little tripod, lower down and put little windscreen or foam and place this directly to the pavement when the car passing by, and you're going to get the great sound of the passing car, plus you're going to get the grit of the tires hitting the road. And this is the secret sauce to a lot of sounds what I'm using, you know, focusing on this very specific thing and just make this thing louder. So this is the benefit of using tripod. Or if you're just going to go to the forest or recording an ambience, you can just place nicely in the tripod, leave it and let it go and come back half hour later and you have beautiful recording with no any distraction. So something to really consider. Another very important thing, I want to mention you when you're going to looking for your recorder, any brand, whatever you're going to buy, like this one already what I show you, they're recording 32-bit flat. And it's very important right now. Anything when you're going to find recording 24-bit, forget it. Don't waste your money. It's old. I record with them and I'm sure a lot of people already know this thing. When you record 24-bit, you're going to start getting clipping, distortion. There's basically not enough headroom to recording loud sounds, especially like some impacts or some loud engines. And when you open the file is very distorted and nothing what you can do. Instead, when you're using 32-bit, when you bring to your session, you can simply like, I don't know if you can see, but I can show you can just click on the file and you can bring open, loudest, whatever you want without changing the quality of the sound, but you can just change the levels and dynamics. and it's beautiful sound. And not only, they're recording to 96 kilohertz sample rates. So it means you can record very high quality samples with this thing. And what will help you right in the beginning, when you're gonna record at 96 kilohertz and 32-bit flat, when you're gonna bring this to the workstation, you will be able to do a lot with the sounds, because you will be able to stretch them out, pitch them up and down without downgrading the file. So even when you're gonna recording 96, it's very easy to convert this file to 48 or 41, whatever there will be the request of the delivery file. But if you record something 41 like I used to do, 48 max, it's hard to up convert to 96 and having this flexibility with the sound. So right from the beginning, remember, set yourself recorder when you're gonna get 96 kilohertz recording stereo, and if you have the option 32-bit flat, go to 32-bit flat, and you're gonna like it. So guys, that's it for today. Before I'm gonna ending, one last thing. If you have any questions, any comments regarding, and you like to learn more about, please leave this in the comments below. And after every video, I will be taking time and I will pick up 2 of the most interesting questions, what I see that deserve maybe deeper analysis or answers from me, and I will answer them directly to you. And I really believe it's a great way we're gonna learn from each other, because me responding to your comments just saying yes, okay, cool, or check this thing out, is not gonna help a lot either. But if you think it's something cool and anyone else will be benefit from this thing, please ask me. I will be answer this directly to the camera, so anyone else who's gonna watching this video, it's probably gonna learn from your answer, or from my answer and your question. So guys, that's what I have from you for today. Please stay tuned. The next video, we're gonna go and move to my digital workstation, talk about a little bit about the computer softwares, what I'm using, what you need in the beginning to edit your sounds, transfer, and what's happened after to the sound. All right, so guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.